Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be demonstrating a few of our somatic bedtime ritual practices. So our first one is going to be the butterfly tap. So what we're going to want to do is just cross the hands like this, place them on the chest, and then you can gently close the eyes, and then just slowly we're tapping from one side to the other. And this can be a gentle tap, and trying to continue this rhythm with the breath. So not too fast. And this can be done laying down or seated. And then for our extended breath, it's going to be an inhale for 4. So we inhale through the nose, and an exhale for 6 or for 8. Inhale and exhale. As we inhale, really thinking expanding the diaphragm or expanding in the belly, and exhale, release all that air. And then for our bee's breath, we inhale through the nose. And as we exhale, keeping the mouth closed and then breathing out in a subtle hum. So we inhale through the nose, exhale. Inhale through the nose, exhale, subtle hum. And just that subtle act of the hum helps to stimulate the vagus nerve to help bring us into the parasympathetic. Thank you.